This is the 2015 Volkswagen Jetta receiving a major facelift for this model year. And you might be thinking to yourself, it doesn't look like it has a major facelift. The front of the car has a mild update to the grille. Around the back, they've got a new bumper. And this car has been a great seller in the Canadian marketplace. The Jetta is hands down Volkswagen's best seller. And year after year, they seem to sell more of these vehicles. One thing is the price point. This car starts at under $15,000. Of course, it has an available TDI diesel engine. Now for 2015, they did make some changes that you really can't see. Inside, there's a new interior. There's also more going on underneath, especially suspension and engine changes for 2015. Talk really about today is the car I'm driving, which is the TDI. It's a brand new modular power plant from Volkswagen that Volkswagen is going to use across their whole group of companies. They can make the displacement bigger or smaller, but it uses the same head and the same after treatment. Now, that's one of the big changes for the diesel. It has urea after treatment or AdBlue, which really helps scrub out all of the particulate in the exhaust, a 40% improvement over the old clean diesel, so that's really significant. Plus it has more power. And driving this with the manual transmission is so much fun, it just blasts away. And the big change now for every Jetta, they have independent suspension all the way around, plus they have disc brakes all the way around. The previous version had independent suspension only on the top GLI and the hybrid. Now it's spread across the entire line. And next I'm going to take out the new 1.8 liter direct injection turbocharged engine. This new 1.8 liter direct injection turbocharged engine replaces the old 5-cylinder 2.5 liter engine that has been a workhorse for years for the Volkswagen line, and this is a much more technologically advanced engine. So it has some things going for it. First of all, the output is the same at 170 horsepower, but this car has more torque at 185 foot-pounds, and it's responsive. You get that direct injection and the turbocharging, and it's a lot of fun. Now, where the diesel has all that torque, the real idea with that engine is just to leave it in drive, let the engine loaf along and produce fantastic fuel economy. If, however, you like a little bit more of a spirited drive, and it's less expensive, the gas is less expensive, you can buy this car and have a whole lot of fun. So if it was me and I was buying a Jetta, I love what the diesel stands for. I love the economy. It is more expensive, but this engine is maybe just a little bit more fun. So it'd be a toss-up. It really depends on the kind of driving you do. Now, why has the Jetta been so immensely popular with Canadians? It's big. This is the biggest vehicle that competes in the compact class. You get a huge back seat, an enormous trunk, and it starts at under $15,000. That's a lot of car for the money. Now, the complaints around the previous model, or the first version of this larger Jetta, that it didn't have independent rear suspension, it didn't have disc brakes in the back, and it had a very hard, plasticky looking interior. Now, on the interior front, they've done a very nice job of updating this to make it look much more polished and like all other Volkswagens. Now, keep in mind, in that under $15,000, the $14,990 price point, you're not going to get the dash looking exactly like this. It still comes with the hard upper dash, but on all the other trim levels you get it looking like this. Much better looking switch gear, the buttons, the switches, and everything look very similar to the new Volkswagen Golf. Very large in here, and that's the biggest selling feature. As I mentioned, you can get the Trend line, the Comfort line, and the High line, and it comes with a bunch of different engines, which is one of the reasons why this car is so different for 2015.
The real change for 2015 are the engines. Under the hood, late last year, we introduced a 1.8 liter TSI engine, which is a turbocharged direct injection engine. The beauty is you've got 170 horsepower, 185 pound-feet of torque, yet it delivers extraordinary fuel efficiency. And on the topic of fuel efficiency, for the 2015, we've enhanced our diesel engine from one end to the other. This year, it now produces 150 horsepower and 236 pound-feet of torque. So it's quick, it's very smooth on the highway, it's great in the city, yet it delivers 8% better fuel efficiency and up to 40% less emissions. It really is the best of both worlds, and for customers who drive longer distances, TDI really is the ultimate solution for them.
Is changing so quickly. We see more and more companies refreshing their vehicles on a much shorter timeline, and Volkswagen has said they're going to do the same thing. They used to come out with a car and let it sit for 7 years. Now we're seeing major updates through the facelift, and then hopefully we'll see quicker changes as the years go by. This mid-cycle refresh for the Jetta is major. Not just the updates to the front and the back, all new engines under the hood, new suspension updates, disc brakes all around, and the interior now is befitting of a Volkswagen. It's great to see the updates for 2015, and I can't wait to see what they come up with next.